Dear children, in this video I am going to explain the simple structure of an atom. Let us discuss today the simple structure of an atom. So, mainly there are three subatomic particles in an atom: electrons, protons and neutrons. They are electrons, protons and neutrons. Electrons are negatively charged particles, protons are positively charged particles. There is no charge for the neutrons. Neutrons are the neutral particles. Okay children, here protons and neutrons are located in the center part of the atom. So the center part of the atom is known as nucleus. So protons and neutrons both are collectively stay located in the center part of the atom. So that's why they are known as nucleons. Nucleons. Electrons are the negatively charged particles. They rotate around the nucleus in a circular path. So that is called an orbit or shell or energy level. So orbit is nothing but path of an electron around the nucleus of an atom. Here, the shell which is far away from the nucleus is called outermost orbit, which is known as ultimate shell, is denoted by N. And the shell before the outermost shell is known as inner orbit or penultimate shell, is also called N minus 1 shell. And here the shell before the penultimate shell is known as anti-penultimate shell, which is known as innermost shell. So the nucleus and the innermost, all the inner shells including the nucleus, all the inner shells are called core of the atom. Core of the atom. So the outermost orbit is known as valence shell. Valence shell. Valence shell. And the electrons which are present in the valence shell are known as valency electrons. Valency electrons. And here, to find the number of electrons in an orbit, there is a formula. So 2n square is the formula to find the number of electrons in a orbit. Here, the shells are represented by the alphabets like K, L, M, N, O, so on, or the numbers 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and so on. Here n equal to 1 means that is the K shell. If n equal to 2 means L shell. So here n represents the shell number. Here n equal to 1 means K shell or first shell. N equal to 2 means second shell or L shell. Here n equal to 3 means third shell or M shell. If n equal to 4 means fourth shell or N shell. Here to find the number of electrons, there is a formula 2n square. So if you substitute the n value in this formula, you will get number of electrons in a certain orbit. Here suppose n equal to 1, that represents K shell. How many electrons can be located in the first shell? So 2 electrons based on this formula. If you substitute the n equal to 1 into this formula, so 2 into 1 square, which gives 2 electrons. So that means the maximum capacity of first shell or K shell is only 2 electrons, and the maximum capacity of second shell is by 8 electrons, and the maximum capacity of third shell is by 18 electrons. Whereas you see the fourth shell contains only 32 electrons. So that is the finding of number of electrons in an orbit, children. Okay, this is the simple structure of an atom. Thank you for watching this video.